Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spooky bloody Valentine's look, so let's get started. I'm going to start off using my blood sugar palette, and I'm going to kind of outline hearts around my eyes using red shadow and yeah, just kind of shape it out. Now that I have the hearts outlined, I'm gonna outline over that with a black liquid liner and just kind of define the heart. I feel like I'm wearing those wacky heart-shaped sunglasses. Actually, I can't tell, but I think this one's a bit smaller. So maybe I'm gonna fix that. It's hard to tell the heart shapes when it's on yourself. Like, I can't tell if they're the same size. Okay, maybe I'm gonna try to make this one slightly bigger. I think that's better. I honestly can't really tell, but I can always fix it later. So back to more shadow. I think I'm gonna use a mix of cherry soda, fresh meat, maybe even blood sugar. I'm just gonna blend those together and gonna fill it in. Now that I have a good amount of red, I'm gonna go in with the black and go around the edges. I'm just kind of adding small lines and like whipping it out to kind of add a drip effect. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the same out of my mouth, kind of like dripping down, but maybe I'm gonna add some red to my lips first. I think I'm just gonna use some of the red eyeshadows from my blood sugar palette and blend around as opposed to using like a red lipstick or something. I don't know why. I feel like I'm gonna like it better. Kind of just like shadowy lips. I don't know. Gonna add a bit of black. I'm gonna go in with this black Krash. I'm just gonna add some black here and just blend it out. Time for the best part, blood. So I am gonna use this Mehron Stage Blood and bloody it up. Oh man, I tripped faster than I was. Okay, that was really gloppy. Okay, maybe don't put big glops like that. Well, maybe it's gonna make a cool effect, but oh god. Okay, I'm just gonna work with these bloody gloops. Maybe it was a blessing in disguise. Well, yeah, I think it's gonna work. Oh man. Well, I guess now my jacket has turned into a part of the look. So I guess that works. Okay. Alright, gonna bloody up my teeth. I'm gonna use this Mehron Tooth FX in Blood Red and get my mouth all nice and bloody. Looking good. Okay. Gonna let that dry, and I think I got it done. And that is the final look. Ready to eat your heart out.